I, Adeyemo Sunday Adeni, popularly known as Sunday Igboho. I'm a typical Yoruba man. So, and I have my green card. This is my green card. Then we have our culture. That is Yoruba culture. We call it Yoruba culture. Our culture is so beautiful all over the world. So my people, we need to join our hand together to fight for our religion, our culture. So because we don't need to make our culture die. Our culture is very powerful culture all over the world. Very respectful culture. I'm in Germany right now. See, I'm around the Fegesack. We call this area Fegesack. See, beautiful. See, beautiful area in Germany. So my people, I'm begging you, we don't need to fight ourselves. We need to join our hands together to fight for our religion, our culture. Very, very important. Please, my people, love is very important. It's very, very important in our region. Love is powerful. We need to join our hands together. We don't need to fight ourselves. Please, I'm begging you, my sister, my brother. Please, because I'm a particular Yoruba man. My language is very important to me. I'm not an Englishman. I'm a Yoruba man. So love is very important. Please, my people, I'm begging you. God bless you all over the world. Mwah.